Google Ads is a perfect way to start going after people who are problem aware. So if you're a funeral home, typically what you want to target are those folks who might go on Google and type in funeral home near me, Las Vegas funeral homes. If you're a window door company, people might go on Google and type in replace some windows near me. And if you think about this, we're going after people who are problem aware and looking for solutions. So to us, it's low-hanging fruit. And it's still very, very worth the while to place Google Ads, but there will be a point where you keep on increasing your ad spend and there's not enough people searching for these keywords now. And it's time for you to move on to the next channel. But when, right, do you know that you'll start exhausting your ad budget? As business owners, I'm always planning and also planning ahead for our clients to let them know if you're spending 30 bucks a day right now, and you can keep on increasing ad spend if you want more leads coming in, but maybe at $60 a day. Anything beyond that, there won't be enough people searching for this. And that's the point when we should start looking for other channels to deploy. So let me show you, right? How can you identify when do you start exhaust Google Ads as a channel? And it's very easy. So once you log in to your Google Ads campaign, and if you go to columns, and you can add a column here. And a column is called, let me show you. So you got a competitive metrics. And over here, there is something called search lost due to budget, right? There's a lot of things you can turn on over here to look at your competition, but this is the one that we typically look at. This will identify that you're missing how much traffic based on this ad budget. So for this client, Clearwater Window and Door, they're spending $41.60 right now as their maximum daily spend. And if they want to continue to grow their business, they still can open it up. They can increase their ad budget by another 50% to get all of the search traffic. But anything beyond that, right, most likely they will not be getting any more leads coming in. So hopefully this is a good metric for you to plan. I'm a planner. So I just want to know, when should I start opening up different channels? Good luck.